Well, that is an absolute disaster. I was just taking the cylinder head apart so I can send it to Hack Engineering to have it all refurbished and have a nice new cam put in it. As I've been pulling it apart, I found, and you're not going to believe this, I found a massive, humongous weld. Look at that weld. It is massive. All the way through the cylinder head. That's ridiculous. You can see the weld in there as well. That's quite a long one. Look at it. That's a lot of welding. And well, you can see I was getting everything out nice and neat and in order. There's a fair amount of wear on the rocker shafts. Yeah. Well. So, I guess it's time for some new parts. What do you think? Right, we have a box. Let's get all this stuff put away. Let's get rid of this head, and let's get on my phone.
Hello, this is Batman.
I'll have a new cylinder head with extra toppings.
B-A-T-M-A-N.
So we have got new followers. We've got a new wheel bar and the plugs for the ends of these shafts. A lovely Shrick 272 cam from Hack Engineering. And for all the way from Germany land, a brand new cylinder head. So let's have a look at that. That's the exciting bit. Oh, it's heavy. There it is, a brand new cylinder head. This was not hard to come by. I got it off eBay, so you should be able to find one if you're having head troubles. It was not cheap, but all the work that the other head needed would have been about the same price as this one, so I figure let's have a brand new head. I think we're going to build it. So I guess the first thing to do is to put the cam in. So let's get some assembly lube on all the important bits. Let's put a bit of this on each of these. Maybe we'll do it as we go. It's really sticky, stringy stuff. Oh, that fits nice. Well, that's lovely. Well, that 272 cam should hold the valves open for a bit longer and lift them up a little bit higher. This is the first of the sporty cams, really. These are the new rockers. Right. This is the adjuster to get the tappet clearance right. We just have to take that bolt off and slide all these gubbins out, put them on each one of these and put them all in there. Six down, 6 to go. See how that lines up with there, and then this all the way lines up with this set here, so that shaft needs to go in this way, but I suppose we could start from that side. First rocker for the second side. Start easing them in. We're on to our last rocker. These little springy clips hold everything into place. We have a new cylinder head gasket, which goes on like that. And we've got some new cylinder bolts in here.
Shiny, shiny.
And we've got washers, so all we need is the head itself. Drop it onto there.
Bolt it up.
You stay there, I'll go get it.
Okey-dokey.
As far as I can. You got it.
I got it. 30 newton meters for the first stage, and then 90 degrees, and then another 90 degrees.
Two lots of 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Well, that's 180 degrees.
You can't do 180 degrees in one go. That's naughty. Number 1, please. Number 2. Official figures from the service manual. Now we do a 90 degree on each of them. Hold on.
Hold the disc.
Did you move
There,
it?
yeah.
There you go. Number 2.
Remember the tools can come into this.
Okay, last one.
Last ball. Let's give it its last torque, which is 90 degrees.
Okay, done. The head is bolted down.
It is attached.
Look at this. Subscribe!
Sprinkles and then a flake.